Hello and welcome back friends in your favorite channel Learn Agro. You can see a packet of mung beans over here. So today we will learn how to grow their sprouts, which is very easy and quick process. Mung beans are favorite of many people as they have low calorie, high fiber, almost zero fat, packed with vitamins and minerals, which lowers the cholesterol level, heart diseases and also the blood pressure. So without further delay, let's begin. Put the mung beans in the cup like this. Just take some mung beans, clean it up and just fill water and leave it like this. So checking another day, you can see those mung beans has absorbed good water and they are ready for next process. So now cleaning them properly. So here I have taken a bucket and you can take anything, just you need to make a dark environment inside so that the mung beans will not be green. So make some holes so that there is some drainage, and take a plate and I take another lid so that I will place this bucket over it and the water can go out of it. Take a tissue paper and place it inside like this and water it so that the tissue paper will keep these mung bean seeds wet every time and they can grow faster. Spread them evenly and take a towel and just cover it so that the good moisture level is maintained inside. And you can see the water has drained out, and just throw that water and cover it with the plastic, and this will be complete dark setup. Now on the third day you can see that they have grown pretty fast. You can see they have started growing some sprouts and they are doing really good inside this. Just all you need to do is add some clean good water every 12 hours. So on fourth day you can see that they have grown quite long, and just water it and just keep it like that covered. And on fifth day you can see the sprouts has grown quite longer and they are doing quite good inside this bucket. Just water it every 12 hours, the things will be fine. On sixth day you can see that they have grown quite good. The sprouts have become so long. Just water them up and again cover them. On seventh day I am going to take them out. To keep the towel moist every time. You can see that the sprouts have grown quite long. You can see a couple of leaves also has appeared at the tip. Now I'll take them off. Gently take them off. From just a half cup of the mung beans, you can have a bowl full of mung beans sprout. It's really awesome. Now clean them thoroughly so that the outer cover of those mung beans can be removed and other things will also be cleaned off. And you can see that it looks very nice. And all your mung beans sprouts are ready. And you can make different kind of dishes out of these mung beans sprouts. You can make salad, you can make soup using sandwiches and make curries, and various kinds of recipes are down below in the description. Please check them. So I hope you have learned growing mung beans sprout from my video. If you think it's useful for others, please do share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you again.